Hello everyone. This is my 17th day of English speaking practice, and if I talk about my day is going well so far. My day have been going well so far. Means जो आपका दिन अभी तक गया है वो अच्छा गया है. Means already completed it, so that I use like so that I would have been basically and जाएगा भी in future maybe. So just a little like this. And today I discussed with some interesting topics like just for my improve my communication. And you know that I I discuss the topics like a random topics. So there is no topics to discuss about. So just I discuss like it repeatedly the topics like common topics daily basis. Then today I'm going to discuss like 4 or 5 topics I have already searched and what should I speak. So basically this is the topic. First topic is that who I was before. Means मैं पहले कैसा था. Means before starting this session, before start to record this video, what have what have I feel. So basically, before I have this is the my 17 days of English practice, and now it's before the 17 days I just like not speak well in front of the people, but now practicing due to the practice and control the consistency and discipline, I was able to speak. I am able to speak whatever I think, and as much as I consider I can acquire it, just I will interview of the companies like interview and I can speak confidently in front of anyone and anywhere just by the help of the practice. And if you are also if you can also do the same like this whatever I do, just you can also write down. And now I'm what am I saying, I don't recognize that what I am speaking. Just I feel like quite nervous. I don't know why I'm feeling like this, but a little quite improvement in, in before last few days. Just and before starting the sessions, I could just start to hesitate when I start to speak this language. But nowadays I feel like quite confident because I give the today I am also give today I did also give one of the interview where I just give the where I given the like frank answer frankly. Just I give the given the frank answer and confidently whatever in my mind. I know while speaking at that time I did the some mistakes, but I just manage it. And interviewer know that this is the this is the this is fresher, and it's natural to me to do the mistakes and to do all these things. And more about like I just realized that and what can you say like when I was before starting the sessions, just I feels like pressure or public fear of public public speaking, like when I communicate when I go to communicate with others. That time I just I couldn't I unable I will not I unable to speak. I know, but I know that what should I speak, but my mind not is I am I'm I just due to the lack of confidence couldn't I couldn't able to speak. So this that is why I just I start to take this sessions. I start to practicing. I know that I in this session will just in this session will just move on like 3 or 4 months until I until I know until I speak. And when once I able to speak this language, just just I took the I just I take take the good job, and you know that also that if you are unable to speak this language, you are if you are unable to speak this language, you can just not think like. And I, bro, I don't know why I today I not it feels like nervous just because of I'm living in the PG. So that's my my here there here who are lives who does live here, they comes in the room and roaming here. So I just feel quite nervous to see that. But just leave it. Whatever I know, whatever I do, just I start to do for my career. I doesn't matter like people smart things about me. Just you can do whatever you do. If you are doing a good things, then you can just do it, and don't judge ourselves with others, and don't mostly people they they have compared with others, and due to this they face the problems of speaking, and don't think like this, because everyone goes through this path or whatever. Me and you also go through, but once you are acquiring the once you are acquire the confidence, once you get the confidence, then you can able to speak anywhere and anytime. It is not that right. It is not good things like automatically you are wake up early one morning and you are becoming like a fluent speaker, like just you speak like a confidently like a fluent speaker. It is not possible. It's like this is the impossible thinking. You can just say that it's a like gradually you know the how to you know the English, like gradually you know why should I speak. But just to think that like my colleague like thousands of students are sitting, but like 5 or 10 students are quit the 10 and 3 plus 2 placement. So why they can get why they why why that they get this type of placement due to the like they do the like different work from each other, and mostly because mostly they do the same work whatever they do. Mostly people they do the same work like their work like similar. They wasted our time to watching the they wasted our time to watching the reels and so on. So basically talk about if I give if I if I give my let I give you let me give you the suggestion. Let me Mr. God, let you give me let me give you let me give you let you let you give me let you give me the some suggestion. Tell me, let you give me like if I am just confused here what I will speak, what I speak. So what should I speak? Just I take the example. But means I have a suggestion. Just you are if you want to work like if you want to do something, then you will start to you have to do some different work. Though though the people uh, like other people they don't do the type of job, and they don't do the same work. They just start to do the hard work and different work. If you are the right path, then you can definitely do something great, something different, and without consistency and without practice and motivation will not happen. Motivation will not do the any big changes in your life. And consistency always gives the motivation and talent. You know that very well. And yesterday I was also I was also to tell you that these topics I have already covered, like motivation, discipline, how to discipline, and consistency, how to beat them low. So now I move to the next topic. Why I took these challenges? Like mostly I will say that why due to the like a job. You know that I am the engineer student in corporate sector in my field. Mostly the mostly mostly business are very doing in mostly business are happening. Mostly business are in communicate business manager and people are communicate in English, because if you don't know English, then you are mostly door will close for you. So just you learn this language for if you want to grow, if you want to go for higher package, if you just want to live survive yourself, then you don't need to you don't need to learn this language. But if you want to do, if you want to if you want to do, and I suggest you that you have to learn this language. You should learn you have to learn just for a better exposure and placements, because once you learn this language will not give the job, but this is this will open the most of the job for your career, for your future. You don't think about if you what the society will think if you are not able to speak. But if you are maintain the consistency and practice, do the practice, you will definitely to speak within the 6 months. One day I know that one day come in my life, that day I will able to speak this language, and this language is not like like I have been doing coding since like 2 years. So I'm not perfect. So this time still I'm not I do not perfect. I am not perfect this time. So how can you say that? How could you say that like English you can able to speak like 1 month, 2 months? It take a time like 1 year, 5 years, 6 months. At least 6 months you can just start. At least you can maintain the consistency. And if you are recording the video yourself, uh, just you start to follow your error and start to change, start to make your mistakes and all these things. Also, just you, if you are following these things, you can definitely to speak this language. And now if I also want to the personal growth, means this is my hobby of, and hobby can, and you can just say that if you are following your hobby, you cannot you does not go while following your hobby. Even some when you feel like nervous, demotivate, and not feel like happy. So that time you feel for hobby, and that time you feel you you start to follow your hobby, you start to work on your hobby. So you can you just at that time you just feel like happy when when you follow the hobby. Like when basically most of people are demotivated at the certain time at the moment in the like within, within the 24 hours everyone can everyone could have a demotivate in front, but you cannot. And motivation is not a part of like permanent. It is the temporary things. You can just like a few hours, few minutes feel. So after certain time it will just remove it, it's leave it. So just I think. And I also wants to like placement pressure. This is the most important thing. Placement pressure means I just want to get at the job, and I'm not fluent in English. I know that I'm completing the software development. I made the multiple projects, but the society, the corporate sector me that demand me, not me. Everyone who can pursue, who does pursue, who are pursuing the engineering, they can speak in English, they can communicate with English, they can communicate in English, they can explain, they are able to speak, they are able to explain project in English. So those candidates can get a job while speaking. And it's a, it's it's provides like a crucial role in your job sectors. And if I talk about like what, and now I am going to discuss about like what what changes what changes I in 17 days. What did changes in 17 days? I changed in my life multiple things while practicing. Like earlier, earlier I did not have more confidence to speak, and now I just feels like a fluency. I gain the fluency and confidence. Confidence is the most important thing. So, and earlier I didn't have a confidence to speak to like when I start to give the interview. That time I just feel like in a blank. But nowadays, just due to the practice, due to the consistency, I even somehow I manage in the interview or in front of interviewer speak my project and whatever. Just I think like a tutti frutti English, like a broken English. Just I in broken English just I try to explain project and interviewer know that the interview student give the efforts and they like them and interviewer likes the effort. They don't need to the perfection of English to just whatever you speak at that time. Just you will you should try to speak confidently and clear clarity. They do the mistake at that time. They are considered it too normal. They will consider the normal at that time. But even whatever you do at that time, just record. But now I will speak. I record the 16-minute video here, and I'm very happy to the. I'm very happy to complete my student. I today completes my 70 day of English speaking practice and continue. I follow this series till until I'm not able to, I able to speak. I will able to speak. So just I follow the path whatever I but just because I know that without consistency, without consistency, I do not know to how should I speak. And no one in the world has a perfection. And initially everyone can face the same. Everyone does face the same problem like me, whatever I face here now. And now I just and in 17th grade I realized that why mostly because they quit in the like 2 or 3 days after 1 week. Just they want to the because they expect the more result itself. So why so that they quit it to practicing. But they because I relate my gym like earlier when I was initially when I was going to gym. So that time I was just I lift the like less weight, like very less weight. And I this time I just I increase my weight lifting and anything whatever I do while the while 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 exercise everything all was going, going to huge. So just I did it. Just I do it while practicing, while consistency. And likewise I know that I practicing this language. So one day definitely come in my life to and one day definitely come in my life. That day I can I I will able to speak this language and fluently. And because I due to the practice and my mind or every day said that today you are not record the videos. You don't record the videos. You took a rest. Take a few today you just take a rest and the next day you will make the videos. But it's just my mind says that if you break the consistency, next day the same problem will happen with you and same problem happen with you. Now I discuss the biggest difference. Still what was the what is the biggest difference in my life. So biggest difficulties I face, like I have become a fluent, quite fluent, little bit you can say that, quite fluent. But I not use the correct grammar, correct pronunciation. I don't use the like advanced vocabulary. But I know just just because I'm in the beginner stage where you cannot use the where you can where I cannot where I unable to use the different sentence structure. But I know that according to the time, according to the like accordingly, instead of thinking like I don't able to speak, instead of thinking like you are not use the like multiple grammars and tools. So when you think like this, then you feel like this, but instead of this you think like I'm on the beginner phase, and due to the and I practice, I can speak. I will speak this language. So this is I think this is I'm telling that. So now and though difficulty and more and once and what is more difficulty like consistency. I realized that consistency how did the how did the motivation say consistency is the more important thing in your life. If you are work in the right direction, still you are work very slowly, but you can definitely to success in, the, in that domain where you can work where you can work the full effort and the consistency. And if you are not working in the right direction, so how much how much work are you do are you do doesn't matter. It matter like when you if, this is only matter that your direction. If you are a good direction, right direction, you can definitely to do whatever you do. Just I'm talking about like what I realized during the day. I realized the multiple things while practicing this language. Just I first things I realized that I why why am I not able to speak this language since I have been practicing this language 1 year, and I have followed the same process till now. I am able to speak this language and speak confidently in front of me. I have I have wasted my lots of time to just listening and writing and thinking, not not follow the process, whatever following these times. So these things are quite depend in my life, but if you जैसे इंग्लिश में कहावत है ना हिंदी में कि जब जगो when you wake up तभी सवेरा and that moment will rise. तभी सवेरा that moment is morning. When you woke up, then you then 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 it is morning. So just ignore it and just leave it. I do it. I'm going the right path. I'm whatever I do, whatever I follow in this time. I have been. I will working on the full concentration in this language, and I will definitely to speak whatever I'm like people are thinking about you. So when you start to do something, people just start to judge you. But once you get the success, people don't think about you. Like people, mostly people, 95% people, they don't judge you, they don't ignore you. But people are just mostly students, they just feels like what they are thinking about me when you go to the like any stage where the people are laugh at him, laugh at them. So why the students start to think like start to feel like demotivated, high, and this is the normal thing. People they don't judge you. They just mostly people they don't have a time to think about you. They don't. They they mostly people involved in the reels and watching the videos for visual things like default works. And now I'm discussing like what is my future vision. My future vision, I will follow the same process. Whatever I doing, I will follow the like 3 months, 4 months until I will able to speak. Till now, till that time, I will follow the processes of this language. And now I want to stop the video. Just I record the 25-minute video, and I am very happy to that to him. I'm also saying a thank you, Hari Om. Like I'm more respect to give myself to just I because of I follow my the consistency. And firstly I I can say you, if you are doing something, always says thank you yourself, because if you are because whatever you do something you achieve the better, then your like सबसे बड़ा हाथ अपना होता है. This is the big hand your this is your biggest hand yourself to achieve the that things. So just you say thank you yourself, then again then you will say the thing, then you will start to then you will say thank you to another anyone. So now here I stop the video and bye.